Well guys, another day at Haulover Inlet. I was spotting on this day and I was lucky to find this awesome Mangusta 104 ref heading out at sea at Haulover Inlet. So I was able to fly for a couple of minutes and follow it, and I got you this video. So please let me know if you like the video, you like the flying, and you want me to post more videos like this one. So one more thing is that for some reason YouTube is not promoting my videos and I'm not getting any views. So please let me know if it's that my videos are not good or is there something going on the account. So if you like the videos and you like my work and you want to support, remember, leave a comment below and a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Take care. Well guys, this is the video for today. Another short one from Haulover Inlet. I hope you liked it. So please, I want to ask you again to please leave a comment below in the video if you like the video, or if you don't like it, also tell me why. So thanks for watching. There's more videos in my page if you want to go and look at them, and also let me know what you think. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.